Most Earthlings think you need to build some complicated app or a huge online course to make passive income with digital products. I thought so too until I stumbled on 4 stupidly simple digital products that I literally created in one afternoon, and that now make me money day in and day out. In this video, I'm showing you exactly what they are. From Orbit, passive income looks like a myth you only grant to tech wizards or superstar influencers. Many of you still believe income is directly tied to how many hours you can stay awake. Just the thought of it is exhausting. But passive income isn't about making things complex. It's about leverage. It's about creating something once that can be sold over and over again on automation without you having to lift a finger for each sale. The way into this world wasn't a massive, intimidating project. It was something way smaller, much simpler, much lazier. Now, lazy doesn't mean low value. It means smart leverage. The value always comes from solving a specific problem for your customer, saving them time, or helping them achieve a quick win. I call this approach the rocket revenue method. Simple assets launched fast, earning on automation. You don't even have to be an expert. You just have to solve one small specific problem for a specific type of person. And you can do that with a product that takes less than a day to create. Today, I'm showing you the 4 types of lazy digital products that kicked off my entire passive income journey. These are the exact frameworks that generate sales for me every single day, whether I'm working on a trip across the solar system or literally sleeping. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too, with zero budget and probably using tools you already have on your computer. Let's start with the easiest win. A 1-page planner that solves one nagging problem. It could be as simple as a weekly meal plan, workout tracking, or a YouTube workflow checklist. It's lazy because you can customize a free Canva template in under an hour. Take a generic weekly schedule and rebrand it for your niche. These could be priced as an impulse buy for $3 to $7. 100 sales of a $5 planner is $500 a month from a single hour's work, delivered automatically using Etsy or Gumroad. Next, defeat your species' greatest creative enemy, the blank page. A brain dump pack is a guided sequence of prompts and questions that organizes chaos into a plan. You're not inventing a new system. You're documenting the thinking process you already use. You can build it in Google Docs or Canva. A bundle of 5 to 10 templates sells for $17 to $27. You're not just selling PDFs. You're selling clarity on autopilot. Earthlings waste eons reinventing wheels. A swipe file is a curated set of proven examples, email subject lines, social hooks or headlines, organized so anyone can plug and play. It's lazy because you're the curator, not the original author. The value is time saved. A well-organized swipe file typically sells for $10 to $30 and keeps selling while you sleep. Think of it as a cheat sheet with excellent manners. Finally, skip the 10-hour course. Solve one specific problem with a 15 to 20-minute audio training paired with a 1-page PDF checklist. You can record on your phone with no camera and no studio. Because it feels like training, you can price it at $29 to $49. This solves a high-pain problem, delivers fast relief, and carries premium perceived value. Here's a little recap and how to get started. No design degrees are required. You can use a free Canva account to find thousands of templates to use as a base for planners and templates. Use Google Docs for written content and swipe files, or make them look slick in Canva. Use your phone or Audacity to record quick audio tutorials. Then sell and auto-deliver your product on Gumroad or Etsy. Choosing the first idea is the hardest lift for most Earthlings. I made a free top 10 lazy digital product ideas checklist with ready-to-go ideas you could create today. It's the first link in the description. That's 4 simple, lazy products that can start your passive income stream. Create small assets that solve specific problems. Build once. Sell forever. Your first, I earned while living my life notification could be one afternoon away, ready to get in front of buyers on autopilot. Check out my next video. I'll show you evergreen organic marketing strategies that work for you consistently. Or you can tap through to watch it now. If you found this transmission helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Market Martian for more ways to earn while you explore the galaxy. Grab the free checklist and I'll see you in the next transmission.